Congratulations! You've received a special invitation to a one-time opportunity that could change your life forever. Right at this very moment, as you're watching this video, you could be making thousands of dollars automatically by just using one secret website to sell just one single type of product. And you don't need any special skills or qualifications.
Kindle Sniper has changed everything for me. I honestly don't know what I'd do now without it. I'm a single mom with 3 kids, and my nurse's wage just wasn't enough to provide for the 4 of us. Since discovering Kindle Sniper, I feel as though a huge weight has been lifted. I can pay rent, treat my kids, and next week we'll be taking our first ever family vacation, no expenses spared. The profits keep rolling in, $1,092 on Monday, $1,286 on Tuesday, $1,320 on Wednesday, and the money just keeps on flowing, week after week. Kindle Sniper has saved my life.
I was surprised to see how quickly I started making money online using this website. Getting set up took no more than just a few minutes, and from there I was making more than $1,000 a day. I now make more than $35,000 a month without doing anything more than just doing some admin on my computer each morning. This discovery has changed my life.
Thanks to one surprising secret that I'll be sharing with you today, you could soon be making enough money to quit your job, pay off all your debts, and go on a crazy shopping spree, if that's what you're into. The money-making potential of this website is so great that I can guarantee that every single person you know would use it to make money if only they knew how. But the crazy thing is, almost nobody does. In fact, you probably use this website on a regular basis without even knowing that it could be your ticket to success. That's because the winning method for making money with this site is by tapping into a new and emerging market that big businesses have not yet explored. But rest assured that every step of this process is completely legal and above board. You won't be doing anything underhanded or exploiting any obscure loopholes, so you can put your mind at ease. And just look at these weekly profits. $8,239, $8,920, $9,017, $8,610, $8,788. In the past year alone, I've made almost $500,000 using this website. And I'm a high school dropout with absolutely no prior online work experience. And what's even more crazy is that I spend less than 10 minutes working each day. And when I tell you the website I use to make all this money, you'll be shocked. Are you ready? The site I'm talking about is Amazon. That's right, the same website you use to buy toys for your cat, furniture for your garden, and accessories for your smartphone. I used last year to make nearly $500,000. But don't worry, I'm not about to tell you to sell waffle irons from your back bedroom. What I'm sharing with you today is the trick to making money from Amazon by doing little to no work whatsoever. And the way we achieve this is by focusing on one single, little-known Amazon niche. And that niche is Amazon Kindle Publishing. While big businesses are using Amazon to ship out hair dryers, socks, and tennis rackets, this particular area remains almost entirely untouched. Amazon Kindle Publishing allows absolutely anyone to publish ebooks on any topic for endless profits. Once the book is published to Amazon's Kindle store, you can sell an unlimited number of copies, resulting in a completely passive income. But before you start thinking, I'm no author, I wouldn't know the first thing about writing a book, don't worry. I'm going to show you how it's extremely easy to make a full-time income selling ebooks on Amazon without writing a single word yourself. Because you're going to have all that hard work done for you. And because Amazon is one of the biggest and most successful sites on the web, there is untold money-making potential. Each year, Amazon generates almost $200 billion of revenue. And in the final quarter last year, Amazon smashed their own personal sales record. And today, when you discover how to hack Amazon Kindle Publishing, You too will reap the benefits of working with this cyber giant. But don't worry if in the past you've tried to make money online and failed. The very best of us fail time and time again before we succeed. Oprah was fired from her job as a news reporter. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. And Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination. And we all know how their stories ended. Failure always precedes success, and failure is what makes success worthwhile. And if you've tried in the past to make money from Amazon without any help or guidance, I'm not surprised that you failed. Making a success of yourself on Amazon is damn near impossible if you don't have the right tools at your disposal. That's why you need Kindle Sniper. Kindle Sniper is the revolutionary system that has helped dozens of ordinary people make their fortune with Amazon. Just look at how much money I made last year with this incredible system. $478,233.08. And that's because Kindle Sniper offers a bulletproof method for making thousands of dollars daily on Amazon with ease.